Howdy folks, just wanted to share a quick tutorial on how to install the Twitter Ads Pixel if you want to do paid newsletter subscriber campaigns on Twitter. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Substack page and click the dashboard button and then go to the dashboard of your particular publication. Then you want to click settings and then go down here where it says analytics. And this is where you would put in the tracking tags for all the different social platforms. But in this case, we want to do Twitter. So we're going to need to do two things, well, three things. First thing we need to do is get the general Twitter Pixel ID. So if you go into Ads Manager and then you click Tools, Events Manager, it's going to take you a page that looks like this. And you can see your Twitter Pixel ID will be at the top. So you click Copy on this, and then you go back to your Substack page and you put that in. So I'm just going to put a dummy one in here. And then you can click Save. Next, you want to create two events. So what they're saying here in this text is basically you can make a Twitter Pixel event to show when somebody free subscribes and when someone paid subscribes, so you can differentiate between the two. So you want to go back to your Twitter Ads Manager, click on the Tools, go to Events Manager, and this time you want to click the Add Events button, which will take you to a page that looks like this. So you're going to need to do this process twice, but I'll just show you how it works for the first one. So we're going to put in here free subscriber. I already have one called free subscriber, so I needed to give it a different name. Otherwise, it'll give me the error that another Pixel event exists with the same name. Now you need to choose the event type, so click subscribe. Attribution window is up to you. Whether you want to track the audience after they subscribe is up to you. Then just click next. You don't have to worry about this setup here. And then go to event installation. This time we're going to click Conversions API, and then you're going to see it's got the Pixel ID and event here. So in this case, you want to put the event ID back into your Substack here for the free one. And then you want to repeat the process again for a paid one. And then go ahead and paste that event in the paid subscribe event and then click Save. And what that will do is it will give you both the free subscriber tracking on Twitter Pixel events and the paid subscriber tracking on Twitter Pixel events. And that way you can now go ahead and make a campaign on Twitter to drive just paid subscribers. In any case, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.